What? Why is so grumpy? Oh no. Yeah? What do you need? So what do you want?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What are you doing? You don't know? You don't know? No?
This is Melvin. Winter outdoor activities are his passion.
It's beginning to look a lot like fuck this.
That's the baby. You're the baby. Why are you upset? Why did you just hissing me? I'm your mama. Are you okay?
What you meowing at?
To be honest,
Meow.
I don't know.
Meow.
I haven't seen a lot of these people since the CEO debacle and my time in the Bush administration.
Yeah, Jackie.
Cutie.
Tell me what.
You don't like it?
The first time he's made that noise.
Here comes a real mechanic. Yeah, tell me what I'm doing wrong. What do you mean? Sorry.
Hello.
All what cat owners need after a long time being away from home.
Are you a pretty girl? Mommy. Are you a pretty girl? I know you are. Where you going, pretty?
Is your cat causing trouble again? Here's how to complain back in their language.
You said hello? What's up, Sting? You just said hello? What's up, son?
If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, say meow.
What? No way. Okay. What else do you have to say? Or I don't know you. It can't be true. It is? I'm sorry, babe.
So, how's your day going? Okay. I mean, what are you gonna do today? Sounds good. Did you get like a good night's sleep?
Like my new haircut? What?
The toughest critic in the universe is here, flatly disapproving of the human's new haircut.
Remember, you're gonna wash your buns? I'll teach you how to do it yourself. Lie like a bed. Oh, jeez. All right, let's turn it on. And look what you have. It's water. Yeah. So you take a little water and you wash down toward the tushy buns, get them nice and fluffy, and you rub it in. Then you turn off the water, and you're all done.
You like it? Yeah, you like it? It's got a propeller. What's wrong? It's so cute and fun.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy, girl.
Can I please use the bathroom? Is that okay? I'll be out in a second, okay? Thank you.
Two souls talking in a language only hearts can understand.
Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow. You like my new haircut? What?
The toughest critic in the universe is here,
What's wrong, honey?
flatly disapproving of the human's new haircut.
Do not backtalk me. You be nice. You be nice.
Prince? What?
What, babies? Look at that focus, as if every word from her human is a lullaby.
What's up, babies? Oh, are we gonna come ask for treats? Yeah?
Hi, Abigail. Hi. Why do you hate me so much?
What is it? What did you do? What do you need from me? Do you need me to commit a crime for you? Because I won't. Maybe I will. How bad will it be? Just let me know, okay? You're gonna tell me the details before I agree to anything, but I'll probably do it because I love you.
Do you like getting baths? Why not? Fine.
Whatever the human asks, the
You are
answer is no.
completely fine.
You can tell from the face it's not
Yes,
voluntary.
you are.
I am right here. You got quiet as hell.
I love you.
Debería irme a vivir al monte, al desierto, sin vecinos, sin nadie que me perturbe la vida.
Mama. Mama.
Who dares to say cats can't talk
Mama.
now?
Why do you need an alarm clock if you can have an alarm cat?
Willie? Willie, can we get a shout out to Angels, Sparkles, and Noodles? Oh.
Give her a kiss, Kara.
Crazy.
Sounds like barking, right? They can mimic that for hunting.
Put her down.
This is no longer just a cat. This is an official roommate.
Listen, you've been out, then you've come in, shit in your clean litter tray, and now you're wanting back out? What do you mean you know?
I'm not lazy. I just don't feel like doing anything. Selected participation. They think I'm doing nothing. But my brain is busy. Kind of.
Cats whisper too. Ever heard them make soft little sounds like that?
Planet Earth has the new leader. In his speech, Kit Kat Meow announced the plan for cat world domination.